This is Lisbeth Stull with another Craft Minute by DecoArt. Do you ever find yourself wanting to switch colors in the middle of dry brushing or stenciling? I'm going to show you an easy way to do that without having to wait for your brushes to dry. So the next time that you are stenciling or dry brushing, to change colors, you can first load your brush. You've got your brush loaded. You've gotten the excess paint out of it. You've done all of the things on your painting that you need. This happens to be winter blue, that you need winter blue for. So you get your brush as clean as you can on your paper towel. I'm going to switch to watermelon slice, load it up, and I'm going to wipe it clean 3 times. There's once. I'm going to reload it in watermelon slice. There's twice. And there's 3 times. Now I have just watermelon slice to do my dry brushing. But you're saying, oh, it's easy to go from winter blue to watermelon slice. Let's give that a try. The other way, so if I load my brush into winter blue, that's actually a really pretty color, isn't it? There's one. There's 2. And I'm running out of space. And there's 3. Now I've got winter blue in my brush, and I can reload in winter blue and have only the color winter blue remaining. I hope this helps you the next time you want to change colors. This is Lisbeth Stull. See you next time on the DecoArt Craft Minute.